Where?
In my house.
In your house, but your house is very far. Very far, yeah? You have to go to the plane. And then, what? Allah. Hey, operator, take the louder. You know the louder?
No.
You don't know louder? Okay, you know only hospital?
No.
Okay.
Hi! Say hi.
Say hi, say hi. Hi. Hi, I'm Alexis.
What's your name?
What's your name? You feel cold, Alexis? Okay, I will make a jacket for you, huh? I will improvise a jacket, okay?
Improvised jacket only in the Philippines.
It's only happen in the Philippines.
It's raining cat and dog here in the Philippines.
Put your hands.